What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Katana Man and Chainsaw Man split portrait. So let's give this a go. Draw a line down the middle of your page. I've done that first. So, and this will be sort of Chainsaw Man's chainsaw section as well, right? So you might need a ruler. So let's go. Once you divide your page in half, we do another line beside that, just like a little bit inside. And then we will go down this way. Boom. Okay, that kind of a thing. And you want to add like sort of speed lines, is what I call them. Sort of like this kind of stuff, right? It's just some hatching just inside here, just to show that his chain is actually moving. Gotta add them speed lines. Okay, and then we go over and do his helmet. So, best way to begin Chainsaw Man's helmet. So we'll go down from the top. Say here. All right, like so. And then we've got these kind of wings that stick out here. 1, 2, right? And then this comes down diagonally to there. And then change direction and go back into there. And then this has a curved line that joins these 2 points. And then we have 4 sort of vent holes just here. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And these curve, they follow the sort of curve of this. So first one comes down. Like so, next one. That's there. Like that, and scratches and hatching and all this kind of stuff all over his helmet, like he's been in a fight, because it is Katana Man versus Chainsaw Man, I guess, kind of a picture. So some scratches like that. Right, so then we got teeth coming down here, right? So sharp teeth. And the bottom ones, we can see the bottom of them like that. Like that. And then the bottom of this helmet. So he's got like a gum line first coming across here. Right? And then a point that sticks out, and then it comes back into the middle of the chain, and then we have another line that just goes this direction. So his jaw is like held together with this sort of lines like this, right? These, it's like a chain as well, right? And then we've got some stuff that runs down his neck. These sort of pipes. Right, and these continue around his shirt. I'll finish his head actually. We've got some more stuff up here before I do his shirt. Try to simplify this. So we've got like the handle going up that way. So and then these these sort of wheels and things that stick off the side here. Like so. And then the shirt, right? The shirt collar just comes in down this way, right off the side, and back in there. And then his shoulder, out and down, like that. Might be like a line just at the top of the shoulder there, and some dots and dirt and stuff. Right, and then he's got more of these tubes and things that just like come down in here. And some are behind other ones, you know. You know, in behind, in the gaps. Right, like so, and then they have lines that come across all of them, just these. Right, like so, and we can see just his shirt like blowing off in the wind back here. Right, that's Chainsaw. So Katana, different setup for his face, right? Because his blade kind of like sticks out straight, so it's foreshortened, right? So what that means is it looks shorter, like if, because he's looking right at us, right? It's like with this pen, right? So take that pen, for example, looks long, right? But if I turn it towards the lens, see, it gets like short, right? Foreshortening, see that? So if I turn it that way, long, there, short. Same thing happens with Katana Man's blade, okay? So a line just coming along here. Right, so you would imagine like the blade is like real long, we have to draw it the whole way down here. No, because he's looking right at us, his blade, where's my picture gone? Right, just make sure, okay. So his blade then comes to about here and then curves around, okay? And then we have the sharp sort of edge, right? So it goes one line curving around here, right? And this gets sharpened this way. So you have another line just separating that sharp edge from the dull edge. There's all blood and stuff on it. And that's all you draw for his sword, believe it or not. That's it. Right? So then we'll go down, do the mouth, right? So we got like his gnarly sort of gums right here. And then each of these has a tooth sticking out here. till you get to the center gum, right? And then his long sort of flat teeth. So, right? And then there's like all these skin, gnarly kind of textures and stuff on his head. And then the bottom teeth, so just coming down again. And we've got like a gum line. Just with these spikes. There, and then his teeth, right? So, and these ones aren't like, they're not level with the teeth on top. We've got some gaps. Right. In there, like just colored dark. You could do it black or like dark gray, which is what's in the show, I think. Okay, and then coming down here, we got like some more sort of skin stuff going on. Skin stuff going on down here. Right, like his gums and things. And then the side of his face carves up towards the katana, just the side of it here. It's like his armor that's on his head there. And then like some like a little more lines for his gums. So the band for his hat just comes across here. And then we have some more like levels of armor. Just two. Like that. Right, and then his bottom jaw sticks out here. Similar to chainsaws. Right, and then out, down there. And then another line going this way. And then maybe a line here as well. Right, so then he has this symbol there. And then there's all these patterns inside. Right, so these sort of triangles on the edge. And then like a flower or something, like this, these bumping lines. On the inside like that. Right, so then the hat, so he's got this red band coming across. It's got a yellow golden rim. And then like red and gold in there. And then the top of his hat just comes up and then I'll go across the top here. And maybe like a fold line or something there like that. I'll put some texture maybe on his sword as well. Right, so his collar. So it's down from behind his neck. So for his neck, we've got like, they're not like tubes like this. They're more muscle ligament kind of things. So this collar comes around here. Right, and then we have an inside line. Like so. And it's going outside. And another line going that way. And then in here we've got all these neck muscle lines again. Right, it's got like all muscle fibers on it. So just all these light lines, just. And then the collar has another line going that way. And then the big collar. Going down that way. Edge line. Of course, there's all blood and stuff and texture on this. And this is all like ripped and torn. Like so. And that's everything. Chainsaw Man, Katana Man. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.